everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through all of my bath and shower gels and my body sprays and maybe a couple other things mixed in here bath wise. Those of you who don't know, I'm getting ready to move this year, and so I pulled all this stuff out, and I'm ashamed to say most of it I forgot about in the back of a shelf, and they're dusty, so I'm going to be cleaning them as I go through them. What I'm going to do today is decide what I'm going to go ahead and pack up and what I want to try to use up before we move. And I might even declutter today. Not sure. So, where should we start? Let's start with body sprays. I have a whole heck of a lot of them. So, well, I'm sure some people have a whole lot more than I do. But we'll start with it. I have a body wash here that's in a tube. And, clean it off. I know, I'm ashamed how dirty these things are. This is the caramel apricot. To me, smells like Boom Boom cream. Oh, it smells so yummy. I'm going to go ahead and pack this. I don't want to try to use it up before I move. I'm going to just go ahead and pack it. So I'm going to put it in the basket to pack. Although all my things are not going to fit in the basket. But alright, now. Yeah, let's go ahead and do bath and shower gel things, because since I just did that one. I have two big Dr. Teal's bath and shower gels. I've got the black elderberry, and I have the Glow and Radiance with vitamin C and citrus. These smell great. These are nice. I'm down to here on this one and down to here on this one. I'm going to leave those out, and what I don't, if I hopefully would use them up. I don't know. If I don't use them up, I'll take them with me, but I'm going to go ahead and leave those out. I'm not going to pack those. Okay. If something hasn't been used, it's going to get packed. So I have my grapefruit frosé. I'm going to pack that. Clean this off. I have champagne sprinkles. I'm going to pack it. Let's clean it off. Black cherry mallow. Pack it. Get these here. I have rose. Wait, this is a body lotion. This is a body lotion. I don't know why it was doing my other stuff. Not been used. It smells good. I'm going to go ahead and pack it. But that's a body lotion. There we go. Clean it up. Twinkle lights. Let's put that in. Bahamas. There we go. I have this. This is from Urban Hydration. Mango and Lime Body Wash. I'm going to go ahead and pack that. I have Fresh Sparkling Snow. Put that in the basket. This one still has the plastic on it. Honolulu Sun. Let me move some stuff around. Japanese Cherry Blossom. Man. Shower gels and body sprays are my favorite. Now let me see. Anything else new back here? Frosted Coconut Snowball. And then everything else. No. Another Frosted Coconut Snowball. See, I should check. I have two of those. Now. Oh, and I have a refill for my L'Occitane almond shower oil. Shower gel. No, it's the oil. Yeah, it's the shower oil. I have it in my shower, and so I have one refill. I'm going to go ahead and pack the refill. Get that ready to move. Now, I have 6 opened bath and shower gels that I need to use up. They're pretty dirty. First, I have 2 that were way in the back of the closet. I didn't even remember having them. You think I would. I have Bonfire Bash. Oh, that smells so good. A crackling campfire, cozy flannels all around, marshmallow toasting to gooey perfection. Yeah. I'm going to leave this out and use it up, try to use it up in September. And then I also have, clean it off, I have Sweater Weather. Not much of this left. Let me smell it. Yeah, I can use this in August, September. Bright blue skies with clouds of cotton. Cool winds rustle golden autumn leaves. The apple orchard welcomes you with open arms. So yeah, Sweater Weather. There's not a lot left in there, so I can use that up quickly. So I'm going to put those on my shelf to use up. I have been working on this one. It's called Into the Night. Not much left in it. Raspberry Noir, Amber Crystals, Velvety Rose Petals, Creamy Patchouli, and Mocha Musk. It smells nice. So I'm working on that one right now. And then this one I'll start working on. Hibiscus Paradise. Do I want to start working on this? Because I'm going to need to use up these Dr. Teals. I'm making an executive decision. I'm going to pack this. I don't think I need to hold on this to right now. I think I'm going to pack it. And this one is Noel Vanilla Bean. I'm going to pack it. I have used it, but I don't think I can use those up. Whoop, my glasses are falling. I don't think I can use those up before I move. And then last is Twisted Peppermint. I am going to try to use this one up. I'm not going to pack it because if it's got that much, I want to use it up. I guess below half it needs to be, I'll pack. So yeah, I got that. So I've got these 4 and then these 2 big Dr. Teals. Okay, I'm happy with that. Those can go back on the shelf. Now, body sprays. My. I'm going to go the same way. Oh, well, I have this. It's not been used. It's a body scrub. Peony. I'm going to pack it. Okay, now, as far as my sprays go, if they've not been used, I'm going to pack them up because it takes me longer to use sprays. And there's a couple of these I think I may go ahead and declutter. I think I'm going to go ahead and just toss them. First, this is the one it's in my project pan. So I am hanging on to that. And that's the one I'm focusing on. Now, let's see. Let's look for brand new ones. This is, I think, been used a couple times, but pretty much brand new. Gingham. I'm going to pack that. Gingerbread Latte. Rain Kiss Leaves. My basket's full. I guess I can move over to this tub. Yeah. This off. I tell you one thing, when you're decluttering and packing, you get your house clean. Bali Mango. I'm going to pack. This one is full. Coconut Lime, my favorite scent. Coconut Lime. This one is not completely full, but I got this, I think, last year. Honeysuckle Peach Tea. I really like this, but I'm going to pack that. I'm going to pack that away. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I'm going to pack away. And Sunkissed Sugar. Let's pack. Let's see. This is old packaging, but I'm going to keep it and use it up. Fresh Vanilla. And then I have Malibu Heat. Now, let's see. Cherry Blossom is more than half, so I'm going to pack it. I probably need to keep out a few. few of these. Let's see. Bonfire Bash, I'm going to go ahead and pack. And I think I'll go ahead and pack Chestnut and Argan. Alright, that leaves me 4 more here that I think I will just, I was going to maybe declutter them, but I think I'm going to attempt to use them up. And if I don't use them up before I move, I will just then toss them. So I have I think this is Avon. Is that, yeah, Avon. Spicy Orange and Ginger. I think about halfway on that one. You smell it. It smells alright. So I'll keep that one out. I have Bali Mango. I'll use this over the spring and summer. Yeah, I'll use that up. And then I have 2 from Pacifica. These are not my favorite, but I will use them. They're perfumed hair and body mist. I have Island Vanilla. And, whoops. I have Indian Coconut Nectar. Whoa, I'm losing a little tops. Yeah, it smells good. Not my favorite scents. There's a little something about these that I'm not real keen on, but they're all right. Mist your beautiful body from head to toe in scent. Smile and head out into this magical world. You've got this. All right. So I'm keeping, this one's in my project pan, hopefully to be used up real soon. And then I have these to go. And that's what I am keeping to go in back into my bathroom on the shelf to use before we move. Okay, I'm very happy with that. Man, I've got a lot of stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and pack these in a box, label them, and send them to storage until it's time to move. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought you might want to see this. It's a little something different. So, anyway, like I said, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So, guys, thanks again. I'll see you next time.